Have you ever noticed that when the rainy season arrives, your mood takes a sudden dip? You feel sluggish, unmotivated, or even downright unhappy? Well, you're not alone. But why does this happen? And more importantly, what can you do about it? Stick around because today we're diving into the science behind those rainy day blues. Rainy days have a way of changing the atmosphere around us, literally and emotionally. While some people love the cozy vibes, for many, it brings a sense of gloom. But what exactly causes this shift in mood? Is it all in our heads, or is there a deeper scientific explanation? In this video, we'll explore the psychological, biological, and environmental reasons behind why we feel unhappy in the rainy season. And I'll share some practical tips to help you beat the blues. Let's start with the role of sunlight. Our body relies on natural light to regulate our internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm. When there's less sunlight, our brain produces more melatonin, a hormone that makes us feel sleepy, and less serotonin, the happiness hormone. This chemical imbalance can lead to feelings of fatigue and sadness. Next, let's talk about vitamin D. Sun exposure helps our bodies produce vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in mood regulation. Studies have shown that lower levels of vitamin D are linked to depression and low energy. So when the sky is constantly overcast, our bodies struggle to maintain that natural balance, making us feel down. Then there's the psychological effect. Rainy days often mean being stuck indoors, reducing physical activity and social interactions. This lack of movement and connection with others can contribute to feelings of isolation and lethargy. And let's not forget the sound and atmosphere. While the pitter-patter of rain can be soothing for some, for others, it creates a dull and heavy ambiance that affects motivation and mood. Plus, grey skies and gloomy surroundings can trigger negative associations in our subconscious, reminding us of sad memories or emotions. So what can we do to combat this rainy season slump? First, maximize indoor lighting. Brighten up your space with warm lights to mimic sunlight and keep your energy levels up. Second, stay active. Exercise releases endorphins, which naturally boost your mood. Even light stretching or yoga can help. Third, increase your vitamin D intake. Foods like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products can help. You can also consider supplements if needed. Fourth, create a cozy but engaging indoor routine. Read a book, play music, or try a new hobby to keep your mind active. And finally, stay socially connected. A simple video call or a coffee date with a friend can do wonders for your mood. So while the rainy season might bring a little gloom, it doesn't have to steal your joy. By understanding the science behind it and making a few small changes, you can lift your spirits and make the most of the rainy days. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Stay positive, stay dry, and I'll see you in the next video.